I say, one day at a time. Gotta get your money up. One day at a time. Gotta get your grind up. One day at a time.
So I'm home, and I think we're about to go to the grocery store real quick and pick up a few things. Okay, I'm ready now. I have Justin here. Justin. What? We got Hashima here. You can't really see her because it's dark in here. And we got the lights off.
Girl, what you fucking saying? What you doing?
My vlog.
Paparazzi. Come in here.
Why you always on it? Why you always on it?
Alright, yeah, so we're about to get ready to leave out here. And we'll check back. Am I talking low? I think I might be talking low. Give her a little bit of Riesling. Just a little bit of Riesling.
That's that wine got me a little tipsy. Come on, Shayna. Before I can't drive. They go find you a stepdad. Taking some of the money off the top.
No, I got the door and everything.
Are you open?
Come on now, get that. Put it down.
No, Zion, you take it down.
Come on, what's your dirty ass? Come on.
See? You're monkey. You got fleas, boy.
But our house is way cleaner than y'all.
Girl, you got fleas.
Gingerbread butter. I've never seen this before. Has anybody ever seen this before? I wonder if it tastes good. I don't want to buy it. What much is it? Oh, it's no. It's like, I don't even know. What, how much? 7, yeah. It's like, what is this? It's like $6.99 or $7.99, and then the jam. I don't know, but I wonder if that tastes good. I've never seen that before. Alright.
She's gonna be bad. We have to take it to the shelter. Maggots.
You need, what you need? You need to go this, we need to go this way. In the little, like food section, frozen food section. Like when you're rushing out the door or something, you could like grab something. Instead of just the part top, you know, switch that.
He's trying to get ahead. Oh my god. Should we do something?
Like these pancakes.
Or just let him.
Pancake pouches. 3 for $6. What about these pancake pouches? What about these?
It's nice.
What about these? I'm asking.
Yeah.
Do you think you'll eat this?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, we can try it out. Alright. We're not getting a whole bunch of stuff. And it looked like the cart is getting a little... We done went from a basket to a cart. I had to look for it. I feel like that's it.
It's fine.
Oh, shoot. No, we forgot to pick up the pancake mix. No. Yeah, I have it, but I can't. No, I don't have it. You're not getting the cookie right now. No. With a pancake mix. Right here. Pancake mix. Maybe I'll, let me see. But I like Mrs. Butterworth a little better though. But this is on sale for like a whole $1. This is $2.49, and then the Mrs. Butterworth is $3.49. And then all the other ones, I'm not paying $4 for whatever this is, a container, a jar, a jug, I meant, a jug of, okay, that's fine. Good morning! So, we are out and about already. It's like 10 o'clock. So, we already did 2 drop-offs already. Oh, and now we're about to pick up my goddaughter, Malia, Princess Malia. So we're about to pick her up right now, and then I guess go to my mom's house because we had a dog situation. Her dog went missing. So yes, but. Happy he was found. It was a nice couple that found him and took him home, fed him, and called and was able to get in contact with my mom, and now he is back at home safe and sound. So that is wonderful. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, I don't even have a mount. I mean, I have a mount, but I haven't mounted the camera yet. But that's about it. That's about it for right now. Oh, I think we're gonna go get a car wash. Mainly go get a car wash and pick up. Oh, we have to pick up my nephew too. We're gonna pick my nephew up.
His name is Jeff.
No. You tried it.
His name is Justin.
And that is about it. I don't know what exactly we're gonna get into today. I don't know yet. I just know that I'm definitely getting a car wash because that's something that I've been wanting to do for the last few days, but I haven't got a chance to do it. I kind of threw anything on this morning. I just have like a holy shirt. This is made like this from Forever 21 and some army fatigue. Like it's a scarf on my head because I washed my hair last night and just put in like 2 what is it called? Not cornrows, but like 2 little twists. And yeah, I'm like, I ain't gonna do nothing. I ain't do nothing to my face either. Very good. Okay. But anyways,
My name is Jeff.
that's it. We'll check back. We have Malia here.
Baby, did she give you attention like that?
Malia,
Oh, if you
say hello.
Son said no, you don't.
That is so nice.
Baby.
Yeah, when you were a baby. Yes, I did. Look at Malia. We're installing her car seat. And then what? We're rocking and rolling. What? Isn't she so cute?
Vlog at.
My YouTube.
Thought it was like.
Alright, we're at the car wash. You gonna lift her up? You gonna carry her? Who, me? Yeah. No, Justin. No. You're not big enough to carry her. You're about to make her fall. Go ahead, son. You got her? Alright, let's make our way to the front. Well, go in the door after. Let me get the door. Or you won't get it? Go ahead.
Ooh, it's heavy.
Alright.
Why is it so heavy?
Because it's a car seat and then she's probably a good little, I don't know, 12 pounds probably.
Ooh, it's baby.
Malia, you at the car wash. Let's see. I can't really even see the car. Oh, yeah, you can.
Don't.
Stop, Justin. Why do you're not big enough to pick her up. Alright, let's get to the front. Alright. Looking okay. Okay, so we made it back in the house. Malia is having fun playing around.
Not being bad.
Don't mind those clothes over there. I have to fold. I had like washed. We trying to get her to play with the teddy bears. Ain't that right, Malia?
Yes.
Ain't that right, Malia?
Yeah.
But question that came up was, do babies have it good because they're able to use the bathroom on themselves and somebody else has to clean them up? Justin and Zion said Malia has it good because of that. Like, what?
I mean, that's good. You know,
I don't know. It's good?
Yeah.
So it's good
Yeah, it's good.
to be able to poop and pee on yourself and somebody else clean it up?
Yeah.
But Justin seconds you on that.
Just what shirt you want? This one.
I guess babies do have a great life, huh? They don't have to worry about anything but just be cute and be happy. I'm just going to carry her down and then we'll put her in the car seat when we get down there. So we're about to I just back on the floor. Oh, pick that penny up for me. We are about to go to the movies. Malia is going to actually join us at the movies. Ain't that right, Malia?
So she coming with us?
Yeah, she's gonna come to the movies with us because her mom and stuff is still enjoying her evening. So yeah, we are ready. I actually kind of threw on whatever, you know, it kind of matched. So yes. All right, I'm ready to go, y'all.
Okay.
Hold on, Malia. Let me put you down real quick so I could close the blinds. Sit down.
No, you're not.
I actually kind of folded majority of the clothes. I just have a little bit more to go. And this angle is probably crooked. There we go. I'm folding majority of the clothes.
Stop.
I still have quite a few to go, but I made headway. And I'm probably still out of focus. Alright, let me just hurry up and get out of here.
Big. Because my name is Corey Kenshin.
Can I help you? Oh, excuse me. Can I help you?
Hey, Mike.
What's up?
Not much.
They find Gizzy.
Gizzy! Gizzy! Glad to see you, Gizzy. Gizzy,
Wait,
you made it home safely.
they found him?
Happy to see you, man.
They found him?
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Malia, why you crying? Why you crying, girl? Why you crying? You thought we left you? No, DJ was here. Stop crying, girl. You okay?
Okay. What you do then? What you do?
You just looking all crazy.
You got your father head and your mother face. You got your father head and your mother
It's my birthday Monday.
And I got a new baby.
The true Leo herself.
Girl, keep playing me.
Yeah.
My little sister.
That's my baby. That's my baby cousin.
Oh,
That's my baby cousin.
this your baby.
That's my sister right there.
This your sister? Oh my
And
goodness.
that's my baby cousin. That's not your baby cousin. You're not
Everybody
related to him.
claiming you.
What are you hiding for?
Everybody's claiming you because you're so perfect.
I cannot.
Everybody claiming you because you're so precious. You don't say nothing.
All these brothers, Malia.
She didn't cry all day.
Not really, she didn't.